Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, thank you. I am also fine. Welcome back to our online classes. Yes, in the previous class we were discussing about the volume of a cube and cuboid. Yes, we can find the volume of a cube with the formula. Yes, and a volume of a cuboid also we can find. That's a very simple. Volume of a cube is yes, that is S cube. S cube means where S is the side of a cube that has all sides equal, all 6 square faces, and volume of cuboid, yes, volume of cuboid with the help of yes, L, length, breadth and height, 3 dimensions we can find with the multiplication. And here the next lesson we have about the temperature. Yes, this is the lesson number 23. Lesson number 23, temperature. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body or environment or object. Yes, this temperature we can measure by using the thermometer. Yes, a thermometer is an instrument that tells us how high or low temperature of body, environment or a object is. Yes, here 2 types of thermometers are given. One is Celsius scale and we can measure in a Fahrenheit scale. Yes, Celsius scale thermometer, just you see here. Yes, in our lab also we can find these 2 thermometers. Yes, it has maximum 110 degree. Yes, we measure this temperature in degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Yes, how we can read degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Yes, we have mainly 2 types of thermometers with respect units. They are the Celsius thermometer and the Fahrenheit thermometer. First observe the Celsius thermometer. This is the Celsius thermometer. Yes, the maximum degree is 110 degree. Here maximum degree is 110 degree. In your textbook also we can see page number 176. This is your textbook only, the page number 176. Yes, the Celsius scale. The Celsius scale tells us the 0 degree Celsius freezing point of water. Here 0 degree. Here 0 to 110 degree it is there. 0 degree, when it shows 0 degree freezing point of a water, that is freezing point. If you keep your water in your fridge, yes, how much degree? When it reaches a 0 degree, then your yes, water which goes with the ice, that is freezing point of water is 0 degree. Next, 37 degree normal human body temperature. This is 37 degree. Yes, if you have the temperature, the thermometer with this Celsius scale, you can measure with that. Yes, your temperature of your body, it shows normal human, that is 37 degree. If you are feeling with the fever, then the 2 more degrees of your body temperature will increase. That shows 39, 38 like that. Yes, here 37 degree is a normal human body temperature and 100 degree. Here the 100 degree. Yes, the 100 degree Celsius boiling point of water. This 100 degree Celsius is the boiling point of water. Yes, water when it will gets boiling. Yes, when it reaches 100 degree Celsius, 100 degree Celsius, that time it gets boiling. You can keep a thermometer in the boiling water, then you can check the temperature. It is yes equal to 100 degree Celsius. Next is see about the Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale is yes, it contains here 30 to 220 degrees Celsius. 30 degrees Celsius is the minimum and maximum is 200 degrees Celsius. Up to that yes, with this thermometer we can measure. Here see given 30 degree is the freezing point of water. In degree Celsius, in this scale, Celsius scale, 0 degree is the freezing point of water. But here Fahrenheit scale, 32 Fahrenheit. 32 degree Fahrenheit is the freezing point of water. Next, the human body temperature. Yes, if you are going any office, school, yes, your elder brothers and sisters, they are coming to school now. Yes, we are checking with them with this Fahrenheit scale. If it is equal to 90 degree, 90.98 degree, then we can take inside them. If it is more than 98 means 99 degree, 100 degree, will not allow to school, because they have high temperature, means they have fever. Yes or no? That's why here it is normal human body temperature. Normal human body temperature is equals to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Yes, this is degree Celsius, it is 37 degree, but Fahrenheit, how much it should be equal to? 98.6. 98.6 means here it is 98.6, near to 100. Yes, and a boiling point of water. Boiling point of water is equals to 212 degrees Celsius here. How much it is? 202 degrees Celsius. When it will get boiling? Yes, it starts boiling at 212 degree Celsius. Then we can find here the difference between the Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Yes, 0 degree is the boiling point of water. Here 32 degree. 32 degree is the freezing point of, not boiling point of this water is 0 degree. Freezing point of water is 0 degree, and freezing point of water according to the Fahrenheit scale, it is about 32 degree Fahrenheit. Yes, each of the blank lines stands for degrees. Each of the blank lines, this stands for degrees, and mercury is used in these thermometers to read the temperature. Yes, this mercury is very sensitive. If you give little temperature, it will get movement. It will move. That's why we are using this red colored. It is a mercury. Yes, we can use that is in a gray color also. In our thermometers, we can use gray color. That will be gray color only. Yes, mercury. See, if it is reacts very highly. If you keep it open, yes, it will react. It will react with the environment temperature. This mercury we can use to inside to show the scale. Yes, inside the thermometers. When the mercury goes up, it means it is getting hotter. When the mercury goes up, it is getting hotter. Yes, when the mercury drops, it comes down. It means it is getting cooler. Each block line indicates 2 degrees. Here each block line, here 1, 2 like this, they indicates 2 degrees. Here also, here they indicates 2, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Again 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Again 52, 54, 56, 58, 60 like this. Here also 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 like this. Each black line indicates 2 degrees. Here this black line. Yes, this between one black line to one another, there is a 2 degree. Yes, 2 degrees of a temperature, either in a degree Celsius or in a Fahrenheit. Yes, in the degree Fahrenheit. Here some questions are given. By observing these temperature thermometers, we can mark the temperatures. Read the temperature in the thermometer. Read the temperature in each thermometer. Fill in the number of degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Yes, here given, that is page number 176 open. Page number 176. Observe the thermometer A. Yes, first one. Observe it. Yes, how many degree the red that mercury shows. Yes, Here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes, here ends it is. Yes or no? Then we can write how much degree Celsius it is? 40 degree Celsius. You just write 40 degree Celsius, they given already. Yes, second thermometer you observe. Here 40 is 40 it is, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and one more black line is there above 90. Yes or no? Then we can write it is 92 degree Celsius. 92 degree Celsius. Correct? Yes, observe third one. Yes, that is C. Cth one, here already 50 crossed. Yes, remaining it is there downside. Yes, but we are to show this one, we are showing only picture of above 50 here degree Celsius. 50, 60, yes, again 130 degree Celsius, 140 degree Celsius, 150 degree Celsius, 160 degree. Then how much it is? Sorry, not Celsius, it is Fahrenheit. F is given Fahrenheit. Then we can write it's 160 degree Fahrenheit. 160 degree Fahrenheit. Yes, color cleared it is. This colored part you see, a red colored part. Up to how much it is colored? Yes, 160 degree. Yes. And D question. Observe the thermometer D. Yes, here it is 90 Fahrenheit only. Yes or no? F is there. Degree Celsius means, yes, it is in C. Here Fahrenheit. Now we can, yes, measure the temperature 90 degree, 100 degree, 110. Again, how many black lines are there? 12, 14 and yes, here half. 14 and half means we can write it is not exactly 14, above than that also. Yes or no? Then 115 degree Fahrenheit. 115 degree Fahrenheit it is. Yes or no? Yes, measure once again. Here 110, one black line, that is 12, one more black line, that is 14, but it is more than one more. Yes, next half to the next black line, then 115 degree Fahrenheit. How much degree? 115 degree. Yes, for your notes you can write these 4 points. Yes, that is about the temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Yes, environment or object. This one, these 4 points you write in your notebook, and if it is possible you can draw these 2 figures, these 2 thermometers in your notebook. And yes, these are also very easy, but it is not necessary to write these in your notebook, but you should know how to measure where the mercury shows. Yes, is it degree Celsius or is it Fahrenheit? That you should remember how to measure, how to read. Yes, here the second question is shut the thermometers. They will give the thermometers. Yes, you shut the thermometer, the mercury level. Yes, first is 74 degrees Celsius. 74. 70 is here, 72, 74. With the help of scale, this black line you draw here, this is we can set. Yes or no? Now with the help of a red sketch, red color, or your pencil, you can shade it. You can shade it, means this type, red, that should show a red or a gray. Here I am shading with the help of pencil. Yes, up to here. This is how much degree Celsius? 74 degree Celsius. Yes, you set it. This is of 74 degrees Celsius. Next is 64 Fahrenheit. 64 degree Fahrenheit. 60, 62, 64. Yes, then here it is 60, 62, 64. Or draw a line and up to here you can shade it. This is the thermometer which showing 64 degree Fahrenheit. 64 degree Fahrenheit. Yes, next, like this only. Here sheath 168 degree Fahrenheit. 168 degree Fahrenheit. Then we can take, yes, see here, up to here 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. Again 8 degree Fahrenheit. 62, 64, 66, 68. It is just before one black line, 170. Yes or no? Up to here. Yes, you set it. Then draw a line or shade with a color, red color pencil, or if you don't have the color pencil, yes, with this pencil only we can shade it. Yes or no? Very simple it is. Measuring a temperature. If a thermometer is given in your hand, you can measure if it is a degree Celsius scale or if it is Fahrenheit scale, we can measure it very easily. Yes or no? And next is 58 degrees Celsius. 58 degree Celsius. This one. Yes. Here up to 50, 52, 54, 56, 58. Just before 60 degree Celsius. Yes, this one we can shade it. Yes, this is question number 2 over how to set the thermometers. And question number 3, here tick the temperature the thermometer shows. Tick the temperature, correct temperature. Here they given 3 options: 50 degree, 51 degree, 52 degree. But here observe this, yours thermometer, how much degree it is showing. Now this side here 50, 51, 52 degrees Celsius. Yes or no? Here 52 is here above. 52 is here, then it is of 51 degree. 51 degree, no Fahrenheit, no, yes, Celsius. Then we can write it is 51. Yes, tick mark here. Yes, don't shade. Okay, I'm shading, this is wrong. Yes, just put a tick mark. It is 51 degree. Here you observe, this is 82, 82 after 83, 84. Then here it is 82, 83, 84 given 83 degree. 83 after next 84. Yes or no? Next is, yes, tick here 98 and 100. Between there is one line. Then it is 99 degree. Yes, tick 99. Yes, here fourth question. Mark the temperatures that show freezing points of water. Mark the temperature that shows freezing point of water. Yes, degree Celsius. What is the freezing point of water? Yes, only 0 degree. Then draw a line of up to 0 degree Celsius. Yes, here only you can mark. Then this is the yes, it is showing only 0 degree. 0 degree means Yes, freezing point of water 0 you write. Next, here in the Fahrenheit scale, freezing point of water, how many degrees? 32 degree. Here you observe, freezing point of water 32 degree. Then 30, here 32. Next, after 30, one more black line. Yes, this is of 32. Then color with the red or your pencil, shade it. Then write here 32 degree Fahrenheit. You just write 32 degree Fahrenheit is given. And after that, this one, mark the temperatures that shows boiling points of water. Boiling points of water in Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Yes, Celsius scale, the boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. 100 degree. Yes, where is the 100 degree? You just mark or draw a line, then up to that you can say. Yes, this is of up to 100 degree Celsius. Simple now, this lesson is measuring a temperature. It is very simple. Yes, next we can go with Fahrenheit scale. Right here 100 degree Celsius is given. Fahrenheit, it is boiling point of water is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Here 210. Next one line, that is implies 212. Then with the help of pencil or a color, you can draw this one 212. Next, shade up to here. Yes, this is a boiling point of water in according to the Fahrenheit scale, 212 degree Fahrenheit. Yes, simple now. Yes, after this again some questions are there. Turn the page number 178. What is the page? 178. Yes, here weather conditions are given. 0 degree to 10 degree, it is cold weather. Yes, this is winter means cold weather only. Yes or no? Cold weather, very cold weather, that is, yes, cold weather 0 to 10 degree Celsius. 0 to 10 degree. Next, 10 to 20 degree cool weather. Cool weather 0 to 20 degree. Next, 20 to 25 degree, it is mild weather. We can call it as mild weather. Then 25 to 30 degree weather, warm weather. Which weather it is? Warm. 25 to 30. In the month of March, next month, March, yes, we can say warm weather. Then this is 30 to 35 degree, hot weather. Yes, April, May, it gets very hot. Yes or no? Then we can call hot weather. Then 35 and up, it is very hot. Hot weather. 35 and up, it is very hot weather. Yes, write these in your notebook, these weather conditions. From here to, yes, here you copy in your notebook. Yes, these weather conditions. And here read the temperature of the given in degree Celsius. What would you wear? Match the temperatures with the cloths. Yes. In which weather, which cloth is suitable? That cloths are given then we can match with that. Yes, first one, it is 0 degree. 0 degree means freezing. 0 degree, it is very cold. 0 to 10 degree, cold weather. Cold weather, which dress will you wear? Shirts or t-shirt or this jacket, jeggings or sweater? Good, sweater. Then first one to this fourth, this is the correct. Next is, yes, about 10 degree. 10 degree means 10 to 20, cool weather. Cool weather means we can wear this jackets. Yes, now cool weather. After this, 25 degree. 25 degree it's showing. 25 means 25 to 30, warm weather. In warm weather we can wear shirts. Yes or no? These shirts matched. Next, yes, this is 35 degrees Celsius. Which? Will you wear sweater? No. We can wear the t-shirts. It's very hot. That time we can wear the t-shirts. Yes, this is the matching of these clothes with this temperature. The next question is very simple. This is the activity. You can do it. Yes, measure your and your friends' body temperature. Compare these temperatures. State whether all the readings are same or different. All the readings, is it, will you get same? Yes, you can check. Yes, my body temperature in Fahrenheit degree. Yes, you can write. And my here body temperature of my friends are. Yes, one his name, his body temperature you take, and second one his name, his body temperature you take. Will you get same or different? You check it. And next, note the temperature given for the day in the newspaper for a month. Yes, in the newspaper the temperature was given, the temperature they will give every day. Yes, write a note on write a note of the weather conditions for the month. You can write a note weather conditions for the month of February or March or yes, January, like this. It's very simple. Yes, you can draw this one. Match the following in your notebook. You just copy these 4 and try to draw these 2. Yes, thermometers, and after that directly this weather conditions and this match the following. You cannot draw this. Yes or no? We can draw these thermometers, but here this dress we cannot. Then write this activity. Measure your friend's body temperature, your body temperature, your friend's body temperature. This one you can write. Yes. With this, children, we finished our lesson, that is lesson number 23, temperature. Lesson number 23, temperature. If you get any doubt about this, you can give a call to me. In next class, we will discuss about the next lesson, that is speed, distance and time. Speed, distance and time. Yes, with this I will conclude today's my class. If you get any doubt, you can give a call to me. Okay, thank you.